Good morning. My name is Nived from grade 9 from DPS Bangalore North, and today I am going to be presenting my project on landslide detection drone. Now here's my prototype, the microprocessor, the PIR sensor, and here is the soil moisture sensor which is placed in wet soil, and dry soil is right here. Okay, now I'm going to be running the code and showing it for you today. As we can see, the sensor is calibrating. Now, as the soil moisture sensor is in the wet soil and there is hardly any motion nearby, we can see that the soil moisture is high and the movement is low. Hence, there is only a 30 to 40% chance of landslide. Now, if we shift this to dry soil, we can see that both are low. The soil movement and the soil moisture. Hence, there's only 0 to 10% chance. Now, if we shift this back to wet soil and we increase the motion, we can see that the soil movement is high and the moisture is also high. Hence, there is an 80 to 90% of landslide. Now, if we shift this to dry soil and then there is still motion, we can see that the movement is high and the moisture is low. Hence, there is a 30 to 40% chance of a landslide.